In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a high-level dashboard across multiple boards in Monday.com. Open Monday.com in your browser and log into your account. Here I have prepared 3 sample boards we'll be using for this tutorial. I have created marketing projects, then development projects, and sales projects. Having all 3 visible here matters because the dashboard is going to pull data from each one into a single high-level view. Now go to the left sidebar just below your workspace name and click the plus icon. From the drop-down, choose New Dashboard. When the name field appears, type High-Level Overview. Take a second to enter that clearly, because this will be the main reporting dashboard you come back to later. Then click Create Dashboard. A window will pop up asking which boards you want to connect. Find marketing projects and check the box next to it. Then do the same for development projects. After that, select sales projects as well. Once all 3 boards are checked, click Done. You should now be looking at a blank dashboard with high-level overview at the top. Next, let's add a numbers widget for total budget. Click Add Widget at the top of the dashboard and choose Numbers from the widget gallery. When the widget appears, open the 3-dot menu in the top right corner of that widget and go into Settings. Under the column selector, choose Budget. The widget will now calculate the combined budget across all 3 connected boards. If you want to label it more clearly, click the widget title and type Total Budget. Now let's visualize statuses with a chart. Click Add Widget again and select Chart. On the new chart widget, open the 3-dot menu and choose Settings. For the x-axis, select Status. If Monday asks you to match columns across boards, choose All at once so it pulls the status column from every connected board. For the y-axis, choose Count Items or leave the default if that's already selected. You'll now see a status breakdown across the 3 boards, showing how many items are marked, working on it, done, stuck, and so on. If you'd like, rename the widget to Status Overview. For overall progress, click Add Widget one more time and choose Battery. Open the 3-dot menu on the Battery widget, go to Settings, and select the Status column. This gives you a color-coded progress bar based on the proportion of statuses across all connected boards. If you want, rename it to Overall Progress. To make the dashboard more focused, apply a dashboard level filter. Click the funnel icon in the top right corner, then click Add Filter. Choose the priority column. Set the condition to Text Is, then enter High. Click outside the panel to apply it, and every widget updates to show only high-priority items across the connected boards. At this point, your high-level dashboard is fully set up. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. If you want to remove the filter later, click the funnel icon again and choose Clear All. Or remove the filter using the X next to it. That's it. You now have one dashboard that rolls up budget, status, and progress from multiple boards into a single clean view.